Okay, this is the second level, or it might be the first level. I'm sure you could interchange them, of number recognition. I'm making, remember the toilet rolls that everybody's got in their houses because there's none left in the shops? Well, if you keep the empty toilet roll and you divide it into 3 centimeters, so you can actually divide the toilet roll into 3. Okay, I'm going to stop this now. Okay. Okay. Okay, so these blue paper number rods you can use for quite a few applications, and they take about 1 series of good omens to get your way right the way through. And I didn't even have to finish my vodka. Enjoy. Number rods. I've started with 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And each of my 3-piece divisions I've just stuck together with sticky tape. I don't think they'll last very long, but hopefully your child will learn how to do number recognition very quickly and it won't matter. So there is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm placing them in such a way that the red edges are all together in a straight line on the edge. 9 will stick together with 10 once I've found 8. So there's 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now, in the beginning, you wouldn't necessarily show your child the whole lot. You would just start with, this is 1. And this is 1, 2. And this is 1, 2, 3. So now you can see the quantity. You can actually feel, your child can see very clearly the distinction between the different quantities. So now you can add your numbers that you just worked with. So this is number 1. 1, 2, and that is number 2. 1, 2, 3, and that is number 3. Okay, or even better, you could make little numbers like that. So eventually you will get to the point where they can work through all the numbers, having counted each individual thing, and they can also see that the numbers have gone from a smaller quantity to a larger quantity.